Hi guys, this is Ellie, MTV Hobby here. We're gonna do unboxing and assembling of my new bike. So I purchased this one at Bikes Online and then it arrived at 3 weeks. This bike is a Polygon T7 2021. So excited. Let's go, let's do this. When you open it, there's a small box. It contains a toolbox and then the pedals inside. Then the manual. So now it's out of the box, so we're just gonna remove them. This one's here. Here's the tire. Here's the dropper post. Now we're gonna do the handlebar. So to finalize your handlebar, make sure this plus sign is in the middle of it, and then just tighten the screws. Okay. So with the seat post, you just need to plug it in good. After putting the nut, just push it in there until your desired spot. So now we're gonna put the pedals on. So right is right, and then they have the tools here. So this is the lever for the dropper post. So for my preference, I'm gonna put it on the left side of my handlebar. Here's the newly assembled bike, Polygon T7 Siskiu.